Yeah, baby. Hold on. Let him complete them, man. Yeah, me wash plate. Yeah, me iron your dress. Yeah, me feed the puss. Also the dog, yeah. Of course, my feet. Yeah, man, me clean out the hall and clean out the 3 bedroom. Yeah. Me mop the veranda, man. Don't worry about that. Yeah, man, me rake the yard. Then the yard have to rake, man. No, me name cook. And you know want to come cook and like when you cook that special dinner, then you love it. So you have to come and come cook that. Don't worry about that. That I go wash, you know. I can get up and I go wash. Yeah, me love you. You know, so me love you, you know. Oh, yeah, man. By the time you come home with peanut and jam already. Alright, love you. Come on, buddy, and come to the yard boy. Yard boy.
Burn it down, yo. We are dealing with you. We are going to get a check for your block right now, yo.
Yeah, man, forward on it.
Bag of thing go on. You may come page right now. Burn it down. Ah. What is that? Yo, I never said they wash my
No,
yard.
man, I don't want to wash them for everything, man.
Damn, this a big man they wash jazz.
I don't want to wash today, man.
No, man.
That church, I don't want to wash them, man. You don't believe me?
But what are you gonna do?
Don't touch them.
It's in them wet, dada.
Listen me. Me, I watch them till them dry and take them up.
So them are saying about sitting and wash one night.
I mean, man, I love the woman in there. I know what's up, man.
Yo.
I like that.
Lifestyle, you are living in a virgin, you know. You are clean house, you are wash clothes, and you are wash jars.
No.
And then you sit down and wash the jars them.
What you mean, man? I love my wife, you know. Watch you, man.
Yo, and what day me notice that on mama man, you know.
Listen.
Me say, see, all woman, I take up a food, woman, I give you a bun. Look on this, yeah. Say, woman, I give you a bun. I done a hard time. Yard, me see my while ago.
I could never Susie this. No, I know my wife. This is unbelievable.
We're not informer, you know. We're not informer, but me I tell you. You know, look good.
Let's go.
You can't left.
Why we can't leave her, man? Because you see, a 4 day a week, she cooks 2 peas. You see, every time we think of pack up and go, she cooks 2 peas. You know. I'm going to say, nice!
How want to put her soup here, sir?
Why we don't know, you know, tell her the truth, you know. You see, each time we come in the kitchen, you say, stay out of the kitchen. Because a private recipe and me know it, me go pack up and left.
This a serious man. Come here, Bridget, for a long time, you know. You should have 40 woman one time, you know. You know.
Why me a
I know,
killer?
me see a second down, so. And I told mama, man, me really have to check out around with the car. Me get call, you know. The sister call me, you know. And I say, what wrong with him brother, you know, down here, you know. So me I said to you now, why you man putting nice 2 piece and I'm love you so? Yes, a nyam 2 piece.
Listen, tonight, as 2 piece night. Stay here with me and try.
Yo, yeah, man. You go nyam and 2 piece yourself, food.
So what wrong with it?
Me say, listen me. Don't mention that to me again. Bonus 2 piece. You know what? I'm cutting up.
No, me
Just
don't
start to contact yourself because me not come back and say, hear me? You tell mama man, that's 2 piece so you idiot. Why just 2 piece?
Where you go?
Babes.
Oi.
Mama, come on for a work. I'm telling you, boy, I'm hungry like a dog. I'm tired. You good though?
Yeah, man.
I miss you for a day, you know.
Ready to see the face?
Yeah. A while ago, I go link. Who fool boy papa I make you get that. Kick him out. Be a bag of things. Can't miss a few minutes to the idiot. He was a man. What is that?
That's stupid.
No. You can't pull in stunt with me.
Oh,
No, I'm not play them game there.
what you mean by?
2 peas are them anti people. Come go on the yard.
We never did that try, no.
Come on, man. No, man. You put up.
You can't
First
do
thing,
that.
you can't give me 2 peas. Shoes are well tight. Come.
But me never did that try, no.
I'm not tired of going down with your mother. I want to check your mother.
He not gonna take me back.
Tell her what you cook, give Rasta for yam. Go tell her you try cook, give me.
And she said me forget that.
No, go live with them. No,
She not gonna take me
you can't, Tanya.
Yeah.
No, listen up.
She not gonna
Take a time for them in the yard.
take me.
If I not me call you back. If I not I call you back. Go on to your
Sure.
yard. Yeah, go on to your mother.
Sure.
Yeah, man, go on to your mother. Yeah, man, go on.
I'm gonna call you. Yeah.
Can't believe the girl really cook 2 peas. Later. Can't miss you cook 2 peas. My first mistake I make. Enough girl try time, none no get me. Then the time you no there. Don't play them game there.
Yeah. Get me back.
Let's take it from there. Alright. You know,
You're there again, I'll be back there.
no, it just clip yourself. Glory be to the Most High, give thanks to life, you know. When you hear the voice, you know who. I'm an actress there, you know. I see me a feature in a new film, right? So I want to watch that movie, right? I want to sit down and enjoy. I want to reach 1 million views. So I want to go out and share it with my friends.